Hi guys, this video is all about David and Goliath, the biggest iPhone and the smallest iPhone. I'm going to tell you my first impressions after opening them, after checking them out, and what I think. Alright, let's start. Okay, so what can I tell you about iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Mini? We did the unboxing. You saw the 13 Mini unboxed by Kevin. You saw me unboxing the 13 Pro Max. What's your take? Who should go for this and who should go for that? These are the highest end of the spectrum. This is the farthest. This starts at $999, and this is on the other side, which starts at $499. Well, I gotta tell you, the iPhone 13 Mini is really small. It's the exact same blueprint as the iPhone SE, or if you can go further, the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 5. It really fits in your palm, that whole thing where Apple refused to increase the size of the iPhone. You can press everywhere from one thumb. My hand is bigger than almost every usual people, but yes, everybody can put this in their hand and enjoy. It's a no-brainer. It's not too expensive. You can give it to anybody. If your mom needs a phone, don't take it further. Just give her an iPhone 13 Mini. She's going to enjoy it. She's going to be in the Apple ecosystem. You can do FaceTime, you can do iMessage, you can do almost everything. And one thing that everybody knows about the iPhone is that when it comes to taking pictures, when it comes to the camera, you don't have to think about anything. It's a point and shoot. Pull out the camera, press it. What else do you want to teach your parents? You don't want to teach them so many things. Just give them a simple iPhone that they can use. iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Mini. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is for you. You that's watching this video. Get this one, the most powerful one. Get the end of the spectrum. Apple usually gives you 5 years of upgrade. If you get the latest and the biggest iPhone, you will probably get more years out of those upgrades. On top of that, when Apple is releasing new iOS or new versions of their OS, they usually give us features that are not available in all the iPhones. When you get the highest model, you are more likely to get more features until your iPhone gets out of the league. So that's why I usually like advising this model. What else can I tell you? The iPhone 13 Mini, the sides, one thing that shines through is that the sides are matte, while these ones are shiny. This one is heavier, obviously, and this one is lighter. On the camera side, you have one less camera. You don't have a telephoto lens on the 13 Mini, but that doesn't really kill it. You get it from the software, on the software part of it. The battery. This is the phone with the longest battery life in the iPhone lineup. This is the phone with the lightest battery life in the iPhone lineup. Obviously, you don't have promotion of this one on this one. That's going to allow you to have a longer battery, but it's still not going to beat this guy. This guy has OLED and is going to be able to change its refresh rate from 10 Hz to 60 to 120 Hz easily, and the A15 Bionic Processor is going to take care of that and give you more juice that you can expect. This phone, you can't kill it in one day. You're going to get, I think, 2 days easily from this. Well, that's it. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max, a phone that needs to have Pro in there. Why does Apple still keep all these complex wording? Why don't they just simplify it? iPhone 13 Pro Max Plus X. I don't really know where they're going to. But hey, guys, just enjoy. Go for the phone that you like. $999, $499, whatever hits your balls. That's it for this video. My name is Igor. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. This is MrPurpleTech, and I'll see you in the next one.